What's up guys, it's TechRaccoon back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Now Instagram does not actually come with dark mode in its current version. You'll actually have to download the beta to get it. So to download the beta, you want to search up Instagram on the Play Store once you've already installed it, and then click on Instagram when it comes up, and then scroll down to where it says join beta. Then click join beta, and then you'll have to wait about 20 minutes or so until it comes up with update on the top where you install Instagram. It should come up saying update, and then once it comes up saying update, then update it, and then you should be able to use dark mode Instagram. Now dark mode Instagram, I'm pretty sure only works on Android 10.0 and up. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. So you might have to update to that, and if you can't, then you'll just have to wait till it comes out to the public. Otherwise, I'm sure there's some routes or something that you can do on Android to enable it. On iOS 13 and up, you can also use dark mode Instagram using a similar method. So that's all from me guys. Hope you did enjoy the video. It was quite a short one, and it was at a random time of the week, but I just decided to upload it here and there. So hope you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.